Hi, everyone. Welcome to Karalingua. This is a podcast for English learners who want to improve their speaking. I'm your host, Kambiz, and this is my co-host, Raz. How are you doing today, Raz?
I'm great. I'm still excited about last weekend.
Last weekend? Tell us what happened last weekend.
We went to the big sports festival in the park. It was amazing. I loved it.
Oh, yeah, we did a lot of things. We watched baseball, basketball, soccer.
Yes, we did rock climbing, motor racing, and a lot more.
Shall we talk about them?
Yes, why not? Let's start from the beginning.
Okay. So, when we first arrived, we walked from the car to the main field. It was a long walk.
Yeah, a long one. It was tiring, but the weather was perfect. Then we saw a baseball game. Two teams were playing a match.
A match is when two teams play against each other, right?
Exactly. Did you play baseball in school?
No, actually. I played basketball in school. Now I only watch it.
We also watched a fast basketball match there. Those players could run really fast.
And jump. Jumping is very important in basketball.
After that, we tried rock climbing. You climbed the wall, remember?
Yes, I climbed all the way up, but I almost dropped my water bottle from the top.
I saw that, but you picked it up quickly. You have fast hands.
I do. Then, when I came down, I had to catch the rope.
Good job. Then we walked to the swimming pool area. You wanted to do swimming.
I love to do swimming, but something funny happened there.
Oh, this story? Go on.
Well, I was trying to pull you away from the edge of the pool. I said, let me pull you back, but instead I accidentally pushed you in.
Yes, you pushed me right into the water. Pull and push are opposites.
I'm sorry. After that, we watched a soccer match. It was so loud.
The kids were playing a great game.
Soccer is beautiful. They could run and kick for so long. What about the video game we played?
Are you talking about the motor racing game? We did motor racing for 10 minutes.
What a day. So, a quick tip. For games with a ball or a team, we say play. You play baseball, basketball, soccer, American football, and table tennis. For activities without a ball, we often say do. You do rock climbing, swimming, skiing, and motor racing.
That's a great way to remember. Do you play a game or do you do a sport? Tell us in the comments.
Thanks for listening. See you next time.
Bye!